Hey guys, today we are go- gonna see the shoot a monster from scratch. So let's go look at the codes. Then we will play. Okay, first let's go to monster sprite. When the flag is clicked, set monster active to yes. Go to x0y0, point and direction 90. Show set size to 25%. Switch custom to virus 1. Set ghost effect to 100. Repeat 50. Change ghost effect by -2. Forever, if monster active equals yes, then switch costume to virus 1, wait 0.1 seconds, switch costume to virus 2, wait 0.1 second, switch costume to virus 3, wait 0.1 seconds. While I receive monster hit, send monster active to no. Switch costume to virus hit, wait 0.5 seconds, set monster active to yes. When I receive you win, stop script in sprite, switch costume to virus hit, repeat 50, turn 50 degree. Turn clockwise 50 degrees. Repeat 10. Turn clockwise 50 degrees. Change the size by 10. Change ghost effect by 10. Then hide. Now let's go to the level 1 sprite. So there are 14 sprites. We are at the second sprite. And flag kit clicked. Show costume to ring 1. Set size to 100%. Hide. Point in direction. Pick random 1 to 360. When I receive monster respawn, switch costume to invincible. When I receive you win, repeat 10, change size by 10, change ghost effect by 10. When I receive level 1, show set ghost effect to 100, repeat 20, change ghost effect by -5. When I receive level 1, forever, turn clockwise 1 degrees. When I receive monster respawn complete, switch costume to ring 1. One flag. Now let's go to the level 2. One flag clicked, set size to 100%, hide, point in direction, pick random 1 to 360. When I receive you win, repeat 10, change size by 10, change ghost effect by 10, and then hide. When I receive level 2, show set ghost effect to 100, repeat 20, change ghost effect by 5. When I receive level 2 again, forever, turn clockwise 2 degrees. Now let's go to level 3. One flag clicked, set size to 100%, hide, pointer direction, picked random 1 to 360. When I receive UN, repeat 10, change size by 10, change ghost effect by 10, hide. When I receive level 3, show set ghost effect to 100, repeat 20, change ghost effect by 5. When I receive level 3, forever turn clockwise 3 degrees. Now let's go to level 4. When flag clicked, set size to 100%, hide, point and direction, pick random 1 to 360. And when I receive UN, repeat 10, change size by 10, change ghost effect by 10, then hide. When I receive level 4, show set ghost effect to 100, repeat 20, change ghost effect by 5. When I receive level 4, again forever, turn clockwise 4 degrees. Now it's time for the level 5. When flag clicked, set size to 100%, hide, point and direction, pick random 1 to 360. When I receive UN, repeat 10, change size by 10, change ghost effect by 10, and then hide. When I receive level 5, show reset ghost effect to 100, repeat 20, change ghost effect by -5. When I receive level 5, forever, turn clockwise 5 degrees. Alright, these 5 sprites were almost similar. Now let's go to the player sprite. Okay. One flag clicked, show set ghost effect to 0, go to x0y0, point direction 90, set player direction to direction. When I receive player hit, set ghost effect to 100, repeat 10, change ghost effect by -10. When I receive start game forever, if key left arrow pressed, then turn clockwise 5 degrees. If key right arrow pressed, then turn anti-clockwise 5 degrees. Set player direction to direction. When I receive you win, stop under scripts in sprite. Wait 1 second, repeat 30, move -5 steps. Now let's go to the bullet. One flag click, set can't fire to no, hide forever. If can't fire equals yes and key space pressed, then create clone of myself. Wait 0.1 seconds. When I start as a clone, show switch costume to bullet, go to x0y0, point in direction, player direction, move 130 steps, point towards monster. Forever, move 10 steps if touching monster, then broadcast monster hit, the latest clone. Let's go to so long. If touching level 1 or touching level 2 or touching level 3 or touching level 4 or touching level 5, then switch costume to explode. Wait 0.1 seconds, delete this clone. When I receive start game, set campfire to yes. When I receive game over, set campfire to no. Now let's go to the messages. Okay, it's a little bit more big. So when flag clicked, set size to 100%, set level to 1, go to x0, y negative 120, switch costume to kill the monster, set ghost effect to 100, repeat 50, change ghost effect by negative 2. When I receive monster respawn, next costume, repeat 10, change size by 10, wait 1 second, repeat 10, change size by negative 10. When I receive start game, broadcast level 1. When I receive level 1, switch costume to level 1, glide sex to x 160, y 100 negative 160. When I receive monster respawn complete, change level by 1, broadcast join level, leave this. So when I receive game over, switch costume to game over, go to x0, y 160, stop all. When I receive un, switch costume to un, wait 5 seconds, glide 1 sex to x0, y negative 160, stop all. Now let's go to the monster life. When flag clicked, switch costume to full, hide. When I receive level 1, switch costume to full, show. When I receive un, hide. When I receive monster hit, if costume number less than 10, then next costume, else if level less than 5, then broadcast monster respawn, broadcast UV. Now let's go for, oh my god. When I receive monster respawn, switch costume to hit 9, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 8, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 7, switch, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 6, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 5, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 4, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 3, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 2, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to hit 1, wait 0.3 seconds, switch costume to full, wait 0.3 seconds, and then broadcast monster respawn complete. Now let's go to the 4 last sprites. Let's go to the monster bullet. When flag clicked, hide, switch costume to bullet, go to x0, y0. When I receive monster respawn, stop other scripts in sprite, delete this clone. When I receive UN, stop other scripts in sprite, delete this clone. Now let's go meaning of shoot every x seconds. What the define shoot every x seconds forever with x seconds, player create clone of myself. When I receive level 1, shoot every 1 second. When I receive level 2, shoot every 0.8 seconds. When I receive level 3, shoot every 0.7 seconds. When I receive level 4, shoot every 0.6 seconds. When I receive level 5, shoot every 0.5 seconds. Now let's go from here. When I start as a clone, show, go to front layer, pointed direction, player direction, forever, move 10 steps, then the let's if touching player, then broadcast hit. Let's go define explode, switch costume to explode 1, wait 0.01 second, switch costume to explode to 0.0, wait 0.01 second, switch costume to explode 3, wait 0.01 seconds, switch costume to explode 2, wait 0.01 seconds, switch costume to explode 1, wait 0.01 second, switch costume to explode 3, wait 0.01 seconds, switch costume to explode 2, wait 0.01 second, switch costume to explode 1, wait 0.01 second. Now let's go continue from here. Explode, delete this clone. If touching edge, then delete this clone. Now let's go to the monster bomb. Leave the meanings, we already did it from the bullets. Now when I receive level 1, shoot every 5 seconds. When I receive level 2, shoot every 4 seconds. When I receive level 3, shoot every 3 seconds. When I receive level 4, shoot every 2 seconds. When I receive level 5, shoot every 1 second. When I receive UN, stop other scripts in sprite, delete this clone. When I receive monster respawn, stop other scripts in sprite, delete this clone. When I start as a clone, show, go to front layer, point on direction, pick random 1 to 360, repeat 50, move 10 steps. If touching player, then broadcast player hit, explore, delete this clone. One flag click, hide, switch costume to bullet, go to X0, Y, was Y0. Now, when I start as a clone, switch costume to bomb, wait 0.5 seconds, switch costume to bomb 2, wait 0.5 seconds, switch costume to bomb 3, wait 0.5 seconds, switch costume to bomb 4, wait 0.5 seconds, switch costume to bomb 5, wait 0.5 seconds, explode, and delete the clone. When I start as a clone, wait until touching player, broadcast player hit, explode, delete this clone. Now let's go to play, and it is very small code. When flag clicked, show change cost effect to by 100. Wait 2 seconds. Repeat 20. Change cost effect by -5. When the sprite clicked, broadcast start game. When the sprite clicked, repeat 20. Change cost effect by 5. And then now let's go to the last one. Play your life. When flag clicked, switch costume to full, hide. When I receive level 1, show. When I receive UN, hide. When I receive player hit, if costume less than 10, then next costume else broadcast, game over. Now let's go play one round, then we will end this video. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, let's go. I hope we win. Let's go. Be careful of the monster. Okay, now we are at level 3. Now it's kind of slowly becoming challenging. Okay. It's not easy as you think to play this game. Let's go. Now we are at level 4. Okay, this is a hard game. Let's go. We're almost at level 5. Make sure to not get hit, please. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh, that's game over. So like and subscribe to this channel.